Does your home have a basement? How are you using it? If you're just using it for storage or for your laundry room, that's fine. But if your basement doesn't have an egress window, you're not maximizing its full potential. Stay tuned to find out how much an egress window is to install. Hi, I'm Andy Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. There are many reasons a homeowner would want or need an egress window. In this video, I'll explain what an egress window is, what determines the cost for installation, and how much an egress window will cost. Please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. What is an egress window? An egress window is a window that goes into your basement at that basement level that gives a fire escape for that room. This is just a window that meets certain dimensions and heights for a valid escape in case of an emergency. There are a few things that can determine how much an egress window will cost in your home. One of those can be the foundation structure. So is it a poured foundation or is it block foundation basement walls? The other thing is how accessible is that area? Is it something we can easily get a mini excavator to, or is it something that has to be dug by hand? And then there are also factors such as how tall are your basement walls to what size of well you will need. Like I said before, there are factors that go into these costs, but you can count on it costing between about $8,000 to $9,500 per unit, just depending on what we just discussed for your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click on the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about egress windows? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.